Kaur, I read in 8th standard in Government Girls Senior Secondary School, Katani Kalan. I have learned about AI, artificial intelligence. So let's make a start. Artificial intelligence is a branch in computer science which interprets means and methods of making computer to think like a human beings. Its importance and its subsequent components have been known for quite a long time. Now they are being looked upon as tools and techniques to make this world a better place. Lies in making our lives easier. These technologies are a great asset to humans and are programmed to reduce the human effects as much as possible. Thank you.